What's going on, guys? Von Harris back at it again with another one from My Born Life. Alright, listen guys, I wanted to shoot this next short clip for my brother, recipes by Vance at blogspot.com. I actually wanted to do this short film for him for a while. He loves cooking. He's a phenomenal chef. You guys need to check him out at recipesbyvance.blogspot.com. And I wanted to shoot the film for him just to give him a little bit of B-roll, give him a little bit of cinematic feel, but he wanted to keep it the way it was. He did not want any color grade, so you got to do what the client wants, right? So I hope you all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am Von Harris at My Born Life.
It's Vance Harris here. I'm here with my brother Von Harris in the Von and Vance Test Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to actually smoke a pork shoulder. Smoke it in the oven, not going outside. You know, they have applewood wood chips, they have hickory wood chips, and give you a review on how that tastes and how that turns out. One thing I would like to say, guys, I bought them fresh, then I freeze them. Because me and my brother, we couldn't get our time availability in sync. He's a very busy man and I'm a very busy man. We both have side jobs. I'm gonna give you an honest opinion on how it turns out, okay? Frozen beef brisket, no. Grounded black pepper, sorry. Adobo, Parmesan cheese, garlic, wood chips, you have to soak them in water, guys. You know, this pork fat isn't, when you're doing stuff like this, like look at that. You don't want that fat on there. That's just too much fat. Slice it off. Well, you can actually make some crackling, if you really sear it hard for a long time. That's what we have left. Place them in the fridge. About 8 hours to 24 hours. Let those seasonings soak in. The bigger the meat is, of course, you always want the internal temperature to be 180 degrees. Okay guys, what we have here is 2 grills, 2 wire racks. See? 2 wire racks, you can get them from shoppers or you can find them online. Nope, first we're gonna do, remember those mesquite wood chips? See how that fork just goes through it and doesn't even pull it back up because it's so juicy. Let it sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. These are so small, I can let these sit for 30 minutes. The sheen on it. You got the fattiness here. You got the juiciness of the meat. Look how juicy that is. The skin is crispy. That's crazy. Look. Look at the juiciness of it. Look at the skin. That's fat. Remember we were skinning it off earlier? Mm-hmm. You know what? We're gonna go for it. Look at this. The fatty parts are delicious too. You see it? Switch. He's going in for it, okay? So, for recipes, check out recipesbyvance.blogspot.com.